Mga chong, welcome back. Ito yung Wow Audio Jive. Kung na-miss nyo yung una nating video, ginawa natin ito ng battery life test. At ngayon naman, susubukan natin yung maximum playback distance ng kanyang TWS feature or True Wireless Stereo feature. And to do that, you have to have two of this. Tapos, i-prepare mo yung dalawa. So, bali meron kang left and right. Uumpisa natin yan by connecting it to our phone.
Power on. Bluetooth mode. Bluetooth pairing. Power on. FM mode. Line in mode.
If you'll notice, nagbi-blink ito. Ito yung master niya, no? Kung saan may nagbi-blink. So, dyan tayo ko-connect. And automatically, that is the left channel. Ayan, nag-stop na yung blinking and we received a confirmation that it is now connected. At ayan, di ba, ang cute nung ilaw. Palitan natin yung ilaw. Alam ba yung favorite natin? Yung type ko ito yung nagsustrobe or parang breathing light. Pas. Okay. Ilalagay natin ngayon yung isang speaker dito, tapos will drive papalayo. Iiwan natin yung master. Syempre dapat ito yung malapit sa atin. Iiwan natin itong right channel. Ayan, dito lang siya. Oops, medyo nawala na. Bluetooth disconnected. Based dun sa test na ginawa natin kanina, around dito, nawalan ng signal. And based on our measurements, quick estimate, nasa 1,165 inches. And that converts roughly to around 100 feet. Mga nasa tatlong, apat na bahay yung distance. Keep in mind that this test was performed with direct line of sight. Walang nakaharang dun sa dalawang speakers natin. So sa actual use, possibly magkaibang kwarto or magkaibang floor yung dalawang speaker. So pwedeng mas maikli yung magiging maximum distance. Pero sinubukan din namin siya sa bahay na nasa ground floor yung isa nasa second floor. At okay naman yung kanilang connection.